Another beautiful day from Bali. Good morning, Bali lovers. Today we are going to Kintamani village. And the first village what we're gonna drive past is called Penalokan village. Penalokan village also they have the best resting area for whoever drive past. Well, I think we're going to stop a bit, guys, to have a look around on this area. I wonder why people love to come to this place. Can't imagine how beautiful it is. Kintamani also most of the popular place for tourism because of the view, and they can do lots of activities on this area. I see a few caves as well just next to the traditional market. Well, by the looks, the local people who lives around, their main job as a farmer. Because I see they grow lots of orange beside the road, and then I see couples of locals that try to do selling some orange in the front of their house. And also I see they grow lots of bougainvilleas. It's beautiful. Well, let's go. We keep going, and then we're going to drive very slow because lots of things to see all the way. Visiting friends of mine today at one of the beautiful village called Kedisan village. Now we start driving down the hill. How pretty it is. Yes, we're here. So good day from Kintamani. So guys, now look at the beautiful and huge Lake Batur. So today we're gonna cruising around here. So I'm very sure we're gonna see and visiting of lots of beautiful places. So stay around and watch the video until the end. Let's go. So now I'm stand up exactly near where the fishing area is. It's not far from where we are. So in Kedisan village, I see lots of locals also. They're doing the daily job. They try to grow the spring onion, and also they grow the bougainvilleas and lots of veggies around as well. So this is what they're doing like nearly every day. So beautiful. I got my new job today to be a farmer, like farmer. Did you have shower? Oh, look at that. So I make $20 a day. That's right, bougainville. Diktir ke bang? Nah, bougainville sa inyo. Puno sana niki. Oh, apa menu lagi? Baru lagi bang ya? Oh, ini tempat camping nih. Kemah? Cek lagi pak. Kadang-kadang kan anak-anak kita camping kan penampilannya kan demo. Oh iya. Ramadan, mudah-mudahan ramai pak. Harus. Ini masih bumi nabi. Paling mana? Iya. Tiangnya tapi bakari makin mah. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much again for keep supporting my channel. So this is our journey for Kintamani village today. So once again, thank you very much for watching and keep supporting my channel. Like, subscribe, comment, and share around. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Ciao.